Welcome to Peneda-Gerês, the start of Portugal. And look what's at the start of Portugal. What are you doing here? Why are you here? How do I pay my fee for the national park? Maybe the national park's free and... What? That's a new one.
Maybe I'm gonna ask the...
It's the entrance. What's going on? Okay, well apparently it's free today, so there's no entry fee because the person working here, they didn't show up, so everything's free. Well, the police said that. All right, welcome.
I just go to the shade.
Welcome to the park. Well, here we are. Look at that.
I forgot to bring one.
Yeah, the water's super clear, super clear. We're just on the Portuguese border in a national park and we're already swimming in fresh water. Is it fresh? Fresh water with a waterfall. Look at that. Isn't that amazing? Wow. That's Michael Phelps. Okay, goodbye Portuguese waterfall. It was a pleasure. Let's see what else we can find.